What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. On today's episode, we got the Yamaha Kodiak 700 and we're going to go ahead and get this thing sprayed in, guys. We're going to go ahead and get it sprayed in, scuffed, prepped, so we can go ahead and get right to ripping. We already got the fender out of eBay. eBay already delivered it over to us, a seller on there, and we're going to go ahead and get this thing actually taken off the quad because we had it mocked up on there so we can make sure everything fits. I don't want to just go ahead and put stuff in there after we painted it and then realize it doesn't fit, but it all fit perfectly, guys. So we're going to go ahead and take it off the quad, take it inside the booth, get it all scuffed up, prep it, spray some base on there, spray some clear, wait for it to dry and reassemble it and hopefully get this thing ripping again and 100% complete, guys. So with that being said, let's just go ahead and get straight to the video. Guys, take a look at this. Even Link wants to come over and see how nice this thing turned out. This thing turned out amazing. We're gonna let it sit in here and cure overnight, guys, and then we're gonna go ahead and install it. So what do you think, Link? You like it? Yeah? Shake? Shake? Do you like it? Shake? There you go. All right. Well, guys, we're gonna go ahead and let this thing cure, and we're gonna see you guys tomorrow. Alright, guys, so we got everything painted as you guys saw already. We got it all unmasked. All these tape lines look really good. This thing came out like factory. It's really nice finish. So we're gonna go ahead and put this on here. We got a side panel, the seat to go back on, and the center cowl. Put a few clips together. This thing's finished. So let's get right ahead to it. Alright guys, so that's going to be a wrap for today's video. I really hope you guys like what you guys saw. As you guys can see, everything on this four-wheeler went as smooth as possible. We literally got the front fairings on, put the rack back on, the lights work, the winch works. I mean, and this was just a spontaneous buy that we saw in Copart. We weren't even planning on buying a four-wheeler. As you know, we already have a couple of them here. And so we're just looking around. I was like, man, 2022 utility quad, this would be pretty cool to have around the property. So we just went ahead, you know, kept hitting bid and got the thing, and we got a great deal on it, and we're super happy to have it. So we got this thing all put together, and that was it. I told you guys it was going to be a simple rebuild. But guys, if you guys like what you guys saw, if you guys like us doing these four-wheeler rebuilds or bikes or, you know, trucks or cars or whatever you guys like, drop it down in the comments. If you have any tips as well, put it down in the comments. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Helps the YouTube algorithm. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you guys waiting for? Hit that subscribe button, and then you'll also see the next videos coming out. Until then, peace out.